Which one is it? This one?
No, I didn't came the last one.
Oh, she did it.
Wait a minute. I think,
The roostability?
no.
Oh, state space.
Yeah,
Yeah,
state
yeah.
is this. Oh, okay. Accessing. So,
That's how we got something like that.
yeah.
This one, the one we did last,
Yeah, last question.
that last one we did. Okay.
We have this question about the state space. Is the A, X2, B, U, T. Okay?
Yeah.
And one, two,
Yeah, we will run through the original 6 questions, then we will do this. I'll do it.
Which one? This is the, which one is this?
Just randomly, take do this question and we just run through.
Which other one for digital education we not cover? Is it the other one?
I think we cover all of them.
Cover all.
Really, for this, for the POA and PO, don't do the kickback. Don't do the kickback.
Yes, no need, because that thing will test them. We'll be able to see that we don't need, just go ahead and design. But you have to observe that principle.
if we
Yeah.
have the inverse Laplace,
Mhm.
we have XS, okay? Yeah. It's A, XS, and B, US.
Oh, you Laplace this, right?
Yeah.
So Laplace, no, it's not inverse. Yeah.
So, XS minus A is a B US. Okay. I think it is the S. No.
This side minus this guy equal to this guy. So we miss x, right? Okay. What is dx then? Oh, okay. It's a present state, right? This is a,
Yeah.
and what is this? ut. Okay, go ahead.
So XS. It's S.
This is the one he
Huh?
solved when we didn't came.
Yeah, this is the one.
I think it is not necessary for solving the
You
problem.
say that
You
he
have
solved another one also.
No, it is not another one.
This one.
Yeah.
axt plus but.
But you know, it is not necessary to knowing,
Yeah.
for knowing from where we can use this function or formula.
Yeah.
But we just know about the formula. I write the result of this.
Yeah.
It is this the way we can
Mhm.
learn about how we have this formula. Okay?
Yeah.
Just that. So, when we wanna find the x,
What is this? You factor out the
Yeah,
excess
yeah.
one.
the
So-
factor of
Yeah.
the xs is I minus
Is I somewhere in there?
Yeah.
Because I is here, but I is
Yeah.
not up here.
I, it's this, you know?
Okay. So why is it? Okay.
I.
Yeah. Oh, because I thought you just factor out the excess,
Yeah.
so should it be S
Yeah.
subtract 8? Where's the I come from? That's why I.
Yeah. And for a find
I don't know that
Ăn gì mà đây?
What's that I?
I is just, look at it.
I know it's there, but I'm saying she factored out the excess, right? So you just ask subtract A, right? So where's the I?
That's the matrix, that's
That's the
putting it
matrix.
into the matrix form.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why you bring it to be able to put it into the
Okay.
matrix form.
Okay.
so this is
Uh-huh.
the SY minus A inverse. Okay?
Yes.
So for a finding the trans function, we have to
I'll put the number in.
this ys in x. Yeah, it's a trans function.
So is that output divided by input?
Yeah, output in.
Yeah.
Okay? So the Laplace
You check Laplace of
It's
derivative
minus-
is x, let's say,
Mm.
Laplace of the derivative?
Yes,
is-
yes.
Yeah.
so
That's the basis. Look at it there too. You see, it's the, no, not you, I'm telling you. That's what you're telling me. This is what it is. And that's why what she's doing
For
there,
a y
output
is-
over input. That's the transfer function.
see,
This is the
we
output.
can
Look,
find
there is, well, look at it, look at what she wrote. Output. Output over input. That's the transfer function.
Yeah.
in here we can find the xs. Okay?
Yeah.
So if we find the ys,
Yeah.
c in xs,
Yeah.
and it is the xs. c is I minus I inverse in b
You.
us.
Yes.
Okay? Just that. And you know, for solving this question, we have to just this one.
That's the answer.
Okay? This is the answer.
Use the red stone.
Okay?
Yeah.
We have to using this, just this. So after that, this question, we have to find the A matrix, B matrix, and C matrix from them. And we have to using of our memorize and using this formula. Just using this formula.
Yeah. So what we do right here.
This question, we have to x prime 2 minus 5 x2 minus xy plus 4 and x is x2. Okay, so
From the question,
For,
right? From the question, that's where she just wrote.
for finding the matrix,
For x1 is only x1 equals to x2. x1 is only equals to.
x1, x2,
That's
in
what I'm
this
saying.
question,
That's what I'm saying. Is equal to x2.
x2, yeah, it's
Only x2.
this is question.
Yes. Okay.
And you
X1.
cut it down.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Where is this thing coming from? Is it a transfer?
No, this is for this,
Okay, where transformation of this.
for this, and this transaction. So, there, it is the question, and we can find the matrix, the A, okay? And it is the R question.
Yeah.
x1 is the 0, one, x1, x2. Do you make sense?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Because, you know, x1 is a 0 in,
Yes, just trying to replace, yeah,
and 1 in x2.
Ah,
Okay? And it is a question, okay?
yeah.
For the
Where-
x2,
Where's 0 and 1 coming from?
which one?
Where's the
You
0?
know x1 here, so that's why it's 0.
No, x1?
This is x2.
No. You know, we can find this. x1 prime,
Yeah.
okay?
Zero.
0 in x1
Yeah.
plus
One
1 in x2.
I know, but where is this number coming from?
That's what I'm trying to explain. Let me, this is a,
You know, for question, we have to find the A matrix.
Yeah, matrix.
Yeah? It is the A matrix. We have to solve this. Just that. So, for a solved one.
wait, so see what you did there. For here, see what you did. Before you write 0, 1, minus 1, minus 5. Put this bracket. Put the values of the variables first. He wants to see where y is. That's what I'm trying to tell us.
Anh có những cái gì em cần biết rồi đúng không?
Có những gì biết rồi, còn ngày mai nữa là cho network ok rồi.
Yeah.
X,
Ok, rồi nữa, ngày mai cầm cái đó để anh chụp lên, em có chụp hình luôn.
Anh cái hồi nãy anh chụp mà lúc em làm cái câu kia lên với nó là kia
Yes, read that
and
one.
x prime 2 is the minus 1
Chụp rất này.
in the x1 plus minus 5 in x2. Okay. And
Đôi khi cũng
Four
anh nghĩ là cũng không
in u. Because it's the input.
That's the inputs. This guy is inputs.
Yeah,
What of this guy? This guy has taken away minus.
minus 1. Okay.
You first,
So-
yes, I understand it. That's what I was saying.
So-
So now, see,
Tell-
let me, Tom,
tell-
this guy is he writing? There's something I want to do. There's something I want to do.
Tom.
You consider
Consider
x1,
is
x1, wait,
Yeah.
you consider x1,
Yeah.
x1, x2, okay, let me see.
What?
Wait, x1, x2, x1 again,
Yeah.
x2, there's something.
Yeah.
And this is what I say you should draw.
No, from the question, you have this.
Yes,
Okay?
see,
Ah,
Right.
0 and 1. That's a 0 and 1 again.
Yeah.
you know why?
Minus 1 in
Oh.
x1, minus 5 in
You know why,
x,
you know why, you know why, see, from this question, this is x2, where is x1?
Yeah.
Where is
Zero.
x1? Is 0, that's why you have to do it.
Yeah.
But here, x1 is 1,
Minus
and
1, right?
x2 is 1.
Minus 1.
That's why you,
You see, x1
No,
is right here, so 0 and 1.
Yes.
You
I
can
got
give
it, I got it.
x1 here.
okay, let me,
This
let
is
me-
0, one
give me
side,
that, give me the,
yes.
give me the, red- give me the,
Okay.
red- give me the red one. This is, this is in form of 0, x1
Yeah.
plus x2, which is what you have here.
1. Yeah.
Which is
Zero,
the
one.
coefficient. The
So,
coefficient
It's
is
right
1.
here. I see it. Is it right here?
Yeah, the coefficient is 0 here.
Yeah.
So this one for here is x1 minus
Making
x1
minus 5.
minus.
minus x1 minus x5.
Yeah.
That's for x2. So
Okay.
that's what I have there.
And minus 5 is 2.
Hmm.
Okay? And this is the A matrix, it is the B matrix.
Yeah.
And you can put this in this formula.
Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Are you gonna do this one there or you skip this one?
No, I don't know yet because it's easy. It's easy, I'll do it. That's why we're studying it.
Yeah.
But to me, it's just like we have, it's not like we started with the others. We started with convolution, every other one.
Do
This
you
one.
wanna solve this stage by stage? You know,
already solved it, right?
Yeah, I can solve this. And do you wanna
You want me to solve it in the board?
Which number is it? Which number is that?
I can.
This number?
Number 6.
Yeah.
And also very hungry.
Yeah.
Mine is not.
Oh, okay.
Is it?
And another one, I write in the paper
Mhm.
and send in the group, okay? It's okay?
You want me to solve in the board?
Which number is that?
It's about the problem 6.
The same thing we're doing?
The status space?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is 6 right here. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it the same thing you want her to solve?
Yeah.
Okay. So, but yeah, somewhere. You are solving it now. Why do you want her to solve it? Why do you want her to solve? I think you are doing it. You were solving it, so why do you change?
Why do you change?
And you told her to go and solve it, right?
No,
How
I
Is it a different question?
no, because she asked me to
Ah.
explain
Okay.
this question, and just I asked she to continue this question for a learning.
Okay, so that anywhere she makes mistake, you can continue.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, madam. Go.
I already solved it.
Okay, so we solved it.
From where I should write?
But you see where we are now. You see where she drives to this point. So we're trying to, yeah, you can solve it there. Use this to clean that green something.
You know, I think it's an excellent question, and maybe you don't like the answer in the exam.
Chấm chết.
Yeah.
What should I do now?
Yeah. I think
She
it's
wants you to
excellent.
solve
Mày
the,
10 giờ lên nha.
is it the matrix form?
Chắc quen biết
It's
biết
the
sớm.
difference.
Oh,
Yeah.
but is it the same question?
Mày không có cho
Yeah.
căng.
Yes.
Okay, you want her to solve it in one way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Em
They
tới
have
ví dụ
finished.
bên đây được có 4 mấy phút
Wait.
rồi.
Dạ,
I
lên
can
cái màu á.
solve it.
Mày
But I tell
em
them,
tưởng anh ở 290
this
mà.
is the
Nổ.
extra
Hai xích mà
question.
hai xích chạy lên
And
90
if
290 lên đây cái
you
tiếp đầu á.
don't like
Oh.
this,
45 45
this
50
is
phút á.
the first one, and after that, it is the second one.
That one he did in that last class?
Yeah,
Oh, I was not present.
yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, that
Yeah, you know,
So,
the Dr. Trika told us, I write 8 problems.
Yes.
And we have to just the
Five.
answer